Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're reviewing the Vastfire Laser Bike tail lights for daytime or nighttime. I have both of them on right now, and they come in a 2-pack, which is why hence we have 2. However, just first initial thoughts, I don't know why you want to put a red light on the front of a bike, seeing that that's the front. And usually red here, at least in America, is mostly for the rear. But I can show you some usability with having 2. The packaging itself, it comes with a rechargeable USB cable because it is rechargeable with an included lithium-ion battery. It has an adapter to put anywhere on your bike, and the light itself. To attach to the bike, I basically did it on my rear rack, but I wanted to show you that it just basically attaches with a little clasp right here, which is highly adjustable. You can go to a very, very small size. In fact, that's the size I believe I have around my rear rack there. And then it has just a hexagonal little connector there. You just push it right in there, slide it in, and it locks into place. It also swivels left and right so that you can adjust it in different ways. And as far as I've seen so far from using it, this works pretty good. It's pretty robust and pretty flexible, and it also keeps it on there no problem at all. What's awesome about this tail light, if you will, is it has 2 main functions. It has a laser, which comes out of the bottom, and it has an LED light, which is right here on the front. It has 3 different settings for LED. Here's the first setting. It's kind of a pulsing downward light. Here's the second, which is again a pulsing light, but it's a little quicker. And then finally the third setting, which is just full on all the time. So you get a wide range of options there. As far as the laser, it's just the button on the other side, and we click it once. And during the daytime, it's not as viewable as you can see, but that little red dot kind of tells you where the center is. So it flashes basically an outline of where your bike's sides would be. Here's the second, which is just a faster pulsating one. And a third one right here, which keeps it constant on while riding. As far as charging LED lights, it's just this little waterproof rubber thing there, and it just recharges with micro USB. So I charge these all with my solar power generator, so I don't really spend any money on powering them. On the front, if I'm going to use this, what I would really like to use it for in the front is for the laser on the ground effect. The problem is that in order to do the laser, you have to keep it vertical like this. So that is one little con that comes with it. It would be awesome if they came up with a way where you could have the laser pointing out from horizontally, just for aesthetic purposes or even just usefulness with the way that you mount it. But you can mount it horizontally or vertically with what they have here for a system. Now I've angled the light up a little bit, and you can see that the laser projection just goes wider outside the back. So that's how I might use it if I want to use it with maximum lighting, including my rear brake lights that I already have. This LED light is awesome. It definitely adds to what I already have. It does an amazing job. Let's see it without it. Just for comparison, this is what it looks like without it. So with it, obviously there's more visibility. Not that bad at all still with what I had, but with the laser projection, it makes a big difference. Setting 1 with just the LED light. Setting 2 with just the LED light. Setting 3 constantly on with the LED light. Setting 1 laser projection only. Remember, it's at an angle because it's on the kickstand right now, so it'll be straight when you ride. Laser projection 2, just the laser. Again, kickstand is on, so that's why it's a little bit to the side, but it will be straight when you ride. Laser projection 3, constantly on. Again, the bike's on the kickstand, so it would be straight if you're riding. You can also have any option on, LED or the laser projection. You can have any one that you want to make up a combo. So that would be option 1 on both the laser and the LED light. And that is my review of the Vastfire Laser Tail Bike Lights. Still use them to this day. They've worked great, honestly. And we use the other Vastfire Tail Bike Light on the Schwinn Trailblazer bike trailer for my daughter. So they came in great. Again, we could angle that down, have a laser projection out of it, which would be awesome. But again, I like to use them horizontally because usually we're not riding late at night, and once in a while I do with my bike, but never with the trailer. So pros about the Vastfire Laser Tail Bike Lights. Highly visible. The 3 different modes is nice. I do like the laser projection, however I don't use it a lot. They really don't use a lot of power. I charge these with solar with the micro USB. I like that feature too, so that way I don't have to use any electricity from my house. Just basically just plug them in. Also, can you also charge them on the road with micro USB if you have your power packs with you. Cons about the Vastfire Laser Tail Bike Light. There's not many. However, that laser projection, I wish there was a way where it could project from here if you want to do it horizontally like I use them. So that would be awesome. I know that would be like an extra rerouting of some wiring or something, but overall, if I lived in like a city or Hollywood, Florida, I love Hollywood, Florida, stuff like that, I would probably use the laser projection more because I'd be like out at night more. But these definitely do the job, and I do highly recommend them if you're looking for a bike light. If you would like to purchase the Vastfire Laser Tail Bike Light, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own, and every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please go say thumbs up and push that subscribe button below while you're down there. Also, push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all the support. Thank you, and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.